What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashana, and today I'm giving you guys red vibes with this red hair. This hair is so red and so soft. So in this video, you guys are just gonna watch me straighten my hair, even though it already came straight. Basically, I just wanted to show you guys how to revive your straight hair, because if you guys ever wore any type of straight hair before, you know that it stays straight for like a couple of days, and then when either the humidity or rain hits it, or if you sleep on your hair and you don't tie it up, it's gonna just get all frizzy and crazy looking. So this hair didn't really get that frizzy, but it did need to be re-straightened. So you guys basically just watched me bring my straight hair back to life. And honestly, I'm obsessed with this hair, you guys. This hair is just so soft and so pretty and so red. I literally love it. This video is sponsored by Remy Blue Hair, and it's kind of funny that their name is Remy Blue and I got red hair. But I'm gonna have everything about them in the description box down below. They reached out to me and they sent me 3 bundles and a closure. 3 bundles were, I believe, 18, 18, 18, and a 16-inch closure. And then I constructed the wig, and now this is what it looks like, you guys. Literally, I didn't dye it, you guys, at all. I know you guys are used to seeing me dye things on my channel, but this hair came red. So that means they have all red hair on their actual website. And I've been through a lot of websites before. A lot of companies have reached out to me, and I've never seen any with strictly just red hair. Like, I was like, I have to get that because I don't have to do anything to it. Like, this was literally no work that I had to do. It came straightened already. It came with the color already. Everything was perfect. It was just I had to make the wig, and that was it. So this hair is absolutely amazing for that. Before we get into the video, you guys, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become part of my gang, become part of my family, and hit that subscribe button. All my social media is going to be on the screen. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. And other than that, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, the hair still looks like it's in great condition, but you see all the little, not wrinkles in it, but you see like the dents in it. Yeah, I just want to get rid of that. So for the purpose of this video, I decided to flat iron it for you guys so you guys can see if it bounces back, which it definitely did. So as you guys can see, before I start flat ironing my hair, I like to comb through it just to get rid of any knots that might be in the hair. And then I like to go in with some mousse just for any flyaways at the top of the hair. Because you know sometimes we have hair sticking up. Yeah, I'm a perfectionist. I like my hair silky straight, and I like it looking perfectly fine. No hair sticking up whatsoever. And now it's time to straighten this hair. So as you guys can see, I'm not starting right at the root just because the top is pretty flat, and after I applied the mousse, it was pretty, like, it was laid already. I didn't need to make it any flatter. So I mostly focused on just straightening the ends, making sure that that looked flawless and straight as possible. And as you guys can see, the hair is taking the heat pretty well. So I started to realize that the hair is taking the heat so well that I did not even need to take small portions of the hair anymore. So I just decided to take bigger portions and just started, flat ironing it. And this made it go by quicker, and the hair was still looking flawless. So I finished the first half of my hair, and as you guys can see, it bounced right back, guys. It looks so flawless and silky, and it felt so much softer. So I'm just happy that I have a hair that don't have to worry about it getting all frizzy and not bouncing back to the original straightness that it was at. Because there's a lot of hair that I own that once it gets like water touches it, or like, you know, I just can't get it back to how straight it was when I first received it when it comes to straight hair. And this one bounced right back, and I was just so happy. Another thing that I loved about this hair was the closure. The closure did not give me any problems at all because I had a 16-inch closure and the bundles were 18 inches. And honestly, you couldn't even tell the difference. Like, it didn't even show. Like, it literally looked all one length. So I definitely loved the closure for that. Like, I didn't even know that they weren't all the same length until I read it over again. And I was like, oh wow, it's a 16-inch closure? It doesn't even look like it. And guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It bounced right back. It looks brand new. And I fell in love with it all over again. But in the next clip, I'm going to be basically just telling you guys my review on the hair and what I've learned so far, and just a little more about the hair. So stay tuned for that. So this is how the hair came out. As you guys can see, it was already straightened, and all I did was just straighten it a little more, just because I took a nap in the hair, and also it was raining today, so the hair got a little puffy and a little frizzy, and it wasn't anything that I couldn't handle. Actually, comparing to some hairs, it actually still looked in great condition. But I wanted to get back to that silky straight that I originally had with it, so it definitely bounced right back after I straightened it, and I'm very excited. This is my first time applying heat to the hair, so we both figured out today that this hair is actually really good. Like, it bounced right back. It looks just like how it looked when I first received the hair. So at first I wanted longer bundles, but they were out of stock at the moment. But this literally is the perfect length. Like, it's an 18 and it just stops at a perfect length to the point where it doesn't look like you're doing too much, you know, because the hair is already super bright, and you got to think about it. You don't want super bright hair and super duper long hair. So this was the perfect length, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. I love my colored hair, and this hair is just so bright. Like, I needed an all red hair. I only have an ombre type of red hair where half is black, half is red, but I needed an all red wig, and I'm so excited because I finally got one, and it's amazing quality, and it's so straight, and it feels amazing, you guys. Literally, this hair is super soft, super soft. So if I had to rate this hair from a 1 to a 10, I would definitely have to give this hair a solid 8. It is really good hair, you guys. I recommend it. Make sure you guys go check out Remy Blue Hair down below in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check them out. You will not regret it. Also, when it came to the closure came pre-bleached, obviously, because, you know, it's red hair, so it has to be bleached. So the hair came pre-bleached and also pre-plucked. The part is so flawless, you guys. Like, literally, look at the part, guys. It's amazing. So I definitely love how they pre-plucked it. It was just no work. Like, everything was literally done. It was amazing. As to shedding, I did get some shedding, but it wasn't a lot. It wasn't anything that I couldn't handle. And honestly, like, if I comb it right now, I got no shedding from that. And the hair is so silky, you guys, literally. So I'm combing all around, guys, and I got absolutely no shedding. That's crazy, right? So the hair does not shed a lot, as you guys can see. And I definitely feel like I'm going to be having this hair for a very, very long time because the quality is just that good. Even my mom felt it. She was like, oh my god, this is so soft. I was like, I know. So I'm literally obsessed with this. Like, I'm just obsessed with it. So guys, that is it for this video. Everything about Remy Blue Hair will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check them out. Also, the direct link to this hair will be in there. So if you guys are interested in this, I got you. It's just down in the description box down below. And other than that, guys, I love if you watch till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.